Hey there, today I am going to show you how to properly wash your hair using a hair wash dummy. This is a great tool for anyone who wants to learn the proper technique without damaging their own hair. First, wet the hair thoroughly with warm water. Apply a small amount of shampoo to the hair and massage it gently into the scalp. Use your fingertips to stimulate the scalp and work the shampoo through the hair. Next, rinse the hair thoroughly with warm water. Make sure to remove all of the shampoo from the hair to avoid any buildup. Now, apply a small amount of conditioner to the hair and distribute it evenly using your fingers or a wide tooth comb. Leave the conditioner on for a few minutes before rinsing it out with warm water. Finally, gently squeeze out any excess water from the hair and wrap it in a towel to dry. Avoid rubbing the hair vigorously with the towel as this can cause damage. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to wash your hair using a hair wash.
लेके आओ इधर और ब्लू ड्राई डमी है, इसका हेयर वॉश कर सकते क्योंकि ये 70-80% ओरिजिनल हेयर है। इसको वॉश कर सकते हैं, क्लीन कर सकते हैं क्योंकि अपन जो यूज करते हैं सब स्प्रे और बहुत कुछ इसके पर यूज करते हैं, जो जेल बिल, तो वो सब इसके लिए वॉश।
Hey guys, today, I am going to show you how to blow dry your hair like a pro. First things first, make sure your hair is clean and towel dried. Then, apply a heat protectant spray to protect your hair from the heat of the blow dryer. Next, section your hair into manageable parts using clips. Start with the bottom section and use a round brush to lift your hair at the roots while blow drying it downwards. This will give you more volume and bounce. Make sure to keep the nozzle of the blow dryer pointing downwards to avoid frizz. Move on to the next section once the first section is completely dry. For the top section, use the round brush again, but this time, lift your hair upwards at the roots while blow drying it downwards. This will give you more height and volume at the crown of your head. Once all sections are dry, use the cool shot button on your blow dryer to set your style in place. This will also help to reduce frizz and give your hair a sleek finish. Fina.
रुक जा और 5 मिनट।